This money manifesting secret honestly works so well. Start with a certain amount of money in the middle of a page. We're going to use the example of $25,000, but use any intention. Number one, you're going to write down a triangle and say, I just now received $25,000, because remember, at a higher dimension, all time and space coexist right now. So you're going to go ahead and close your eyes when you're in a safe space to do so and see the $25,000 in your imagination. And you're going to feel it's already yours now. So you're going to match your inner thoughts for 30 seconds. I encourage you to put music on because you're going to increase the emotional intensity of the scene that you already have. Now, most people have done that before. They visualize, but here's the kicker number two. Stick with me to the end of the video. I am spiritually rich in a higher dimension. That's what you focus on all day. You don't focus on getting the money. You don't focus on constantly thinking about where the money is going to go, because that involves overthinking. We don't want that. We want to increase the frequency of you being aware of who you are. That's the trick. Again, stick with me here. You're really going to get this. I'm telling you, this works so well. You are spiritually rich in a higher dimension. In the 3D physical world that you and I live in the 4D higher dimension, the same feeling of being rich, it's the same feeling in the physical or the 4D. So you don't have to feel yourself rich in the physical life yet. You just feel yourself spiritually rich. It's the same vibration. Isn't this crazy? It helps so much. Stick with me here. Number three is just as important. Increase your aligned action from this place after doing the visualization all day. Because what you're going to start looking for is like, how can I increase my skills? How can I do better marketing and way more marketing volume-wise? How can I use AI to say, hey, how can I come up with an extra $100 a week? Maybe I need to put out better resume for a job or a contract thing. Or maybe I need to learn something. So now, again, you're not focused on the money. You're focused on how do I increase myself to better serve the world? So number two and number three, now you're not focused on overthinking about the money, because number three, you're opening up the channels to receive the supply from number two. You see, the vibrational place is the supply. Everything else are the channels to receive that supply. Now, stick with me here. Comment below 2S1R3. Comment 2S1R3. You're only doing this because it's going to jumble up your mind on purpose. And make sure you like and save this and share and subscribe if you haven't already as well, just to make sure you can come back to videos like this. Now, here's the most important part. Money is spiritual. Convince yourself of that. Money is vibrational. Vibration comes before the 3D money actually happens. Ingrain these three statements in your mind. Comment them below. Be with them as much as possible. Because remember, you are focused on the vibration of the thing you're wanting more so, and then everything follows. Now, if you're ready for your next level, I have a free, for the first time ever, 7-day trial of my complete step-by-step manifesting and healing system. Click the join link in the description below. It's free. Give it a shot. Give it a try. I know you'll love it because it's a step-by-step roadmap for you to use every day.